Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1987 Buick Grand National. Around 37,000 miles on this car. Loaded with options too. T-tops, power windows, power locks, cruise control, power seat. Beautiful straight body. Mostly all original paint. Just the hood and deck lid was painted. You know, they checked. You can see it's got rear defrost also. Body side moldings. Insulation package. Power trunk release. Fillers were also replaced with OEM fillers and then painted to match. You can see those are mint. All OEM. Sorry about the wind. A lot of original documentation too. Obviously air conditioning. So many options, even has a engine block heater. Paint is gorgeous. Vanity visor mirrors as well. Limited slip axle. Tilt wheel. Beautiful interior. Power seat. You can see the visors aren't sagging at all. Really, really good. Right along with the headliner. It's not sagging either. Interior is gorgeous. There's the lighting package. Showing 60,335 kilometers, which is actually a little over 37,000 miles. Canadian cars are pretty rare. Has a Scan Master added, gauge pack as well. Beautiful dash. It's got the upgraded sound system. Such an iconic car. Runs and drives great. Strap is added for torque. Keeps it nice and tight. Tops with the motor mount on these guys. Breather there. Got some nice upgrades. Original power antenna actually still works on this car. It's got an intake. Titanium. Show you the trunk. See RPOs on this one. A lot of options. 2 stickers because it's Canadian. Got lots of receipts, original owner's manuals, brand new floor mats. These are the bags for the T-tops, and tons of receipts, tons of options. Nice to see with that many options, pretty cool. And receipts and receipts and receipts after receipt. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.